Hello everybody and welcome to today's edition of Daf Yomi. Hope you're all doing well, and let's dive in. It's Shevuot Daf 15 Amud B. And if you would say that one leavens the remainder of the meal offering which the priest partake of, and then consecrates the temple courtyard with it, that too is difficult, as isn't it written, it shall not be baked leavened, for their portion I have given it to them. Leviticus 6:10. And Shevuot says in explanation of this verse, even the priest's portion shall not be baked leavened. So what does that mean? The remainder of the meal offerings which is eaten by the priest may be eaten with all other foods, even honey, but it may not be eaten leavened. Rambam Sefer Vod Hilchot Maaseh Korbanos 12:14. As it is prohibited to bake even a portion of the meal offering leavened. The Gemara asks, still, why not consecrate the temple courtyard with the leavened meal offering? It is possible to consecrate it with 2 loaves of bread that are brought as a communal offering on the festival of Shevuot, which is a meal offering that is leavened. The Gemara answers because actually it is not possible to do so. The Gemara explains why not. How could we do it? If we build the addition to the temple courtyard on the eve of Shevuot and also consecrate on the eve of the festival, there is a difficulty as the 2 loaves become consecrated as a meal offering with the slaughter of 2 lambs, and are sacrificed together with them as peace offerings. And this occurs on the festival itself, not on the eve of the festival. So let's explain that. Shetei halechem b'shchitas kavosim hu the kadshi. The 2 lambs offered on Shevuot cause the loaves offered with them to become consecrated only when they are slaughtered. And that's from the Rambam Sefer Vod Hilchot Pesudei Makdushin 17:18. If we build the addition to the temple courtyard on the eve of the Shevuot festival, but consecrate it only now on the festival, this too is difficult, as you require consecration at the time of the completion of the building. If we build it on the festival and consecrate it on the festival, this also cannot be, as the building of the temple does not override the festival. In Binyan Mikdash Doche Yom Tov, the temple is not built at night, nor does the building of the temple override Shabbat or festival. And that's from the Rambam Sefer Vod Hilchot Beit Bechira 1:12. If we leave the 2 loaves until after the festival and build the addition to the temple courtyard on the day after the festival and consecrate by eating 2 loaves on that day, this is difficult as well, as the 2 loaves were already disqualified by virtue of being left overnight after the festival. If we build the addition to the temple courtyard on the eve of the festival and leave it a little unbuilt until after the festival, as soon as the day is over and the festival is finished, we immediately finish building the addition and consecrate with the 2 loaves before they become disqualified. This too is impossible, and the